व्हाट नंबर वन सर, व्हाट नंबर वन सर? यहाँ पे कोई नए आइडियाज की बात ही नहीं करता सर, इन्वेंशंस की बात ही नहीं करता। बात करते हैं तो सिर्फ मार्क्स की।
He is the Mr. Perfectionist, one of the most consistent Bollywood actor of doing great roles. Amir Khan knows how to cry and laugh and sometimes both. Welcome to AIUS. Here we've listed down the best 10 performances of Amir Khan. So before you start watching this video, subscribe to AIUS to get more content like this every week. Number 10. Sanjay Singh, Ghajini. Amir Khan played a man who forgets things every 5 minutes in this movie.
ये कौन सी जगह है? मैं कहाँ हूँ?
This man got this disease after being beaten to death. Portrayed two different situations of one man very amazingly. Amir Khan was thoroughly praised for this performance. This character of Amir Khan was named Sanjay Singh, who was the owner of one of the biggest Indian company, falling in love with a rather simple girl who had no idea about his real identity. But once the girl was murdered, this man too was almost killed but lived though with the disease. Then Sanjay Singh embarked on a journey to take revenge. Number 9. Rancho, Three Idiots.
कबूल करो
यार हमारा था वो।
One of the most lovable Bollywood movie characters of all time, Rancho was different from everyone. Three Idiots is the story of three friends, Rancho, Farhan and Raju. Rancho, from them played by Amir Khan, had a different mind that helped his friends to be reasonable and follow their dreams. Also, he was the guy unlikable to the teachers, neither he was liked by the so-called intelligent students.
वो बेवकूफ सोच रहे हैं कि इधर प्रेशर पड़ने की वजह से मर गया, और पिछले 4 साल से जो यहाँ प्रेशर पड़ रहा है उसका क्या? वो तो रिपोर्ट में है ही नहीं सर।
Shed some tears, smiled some and been angry a little, Amir Khan so beautifully went into the character and earned 1 Filmfare nomination for Best Actor. Number 8. Mangal Pandey the Rising. Playing the lead role in a biopic is always hard. As Mangal Pandey, Amir Khan impressed the audience with his awesome dialogue delivery, aggression and dedication.
दिखाई नहीं देता, जिस पल का हमें इंतजार था वो पल आ गया है। वक्त आ गया है अपना वचन निभाने का, वक्त आ गया है मारने या मर जाने का। उठाओ अपनी बंदूकें और लड़ो।
Mangal Pandey, who was a soldier known for helping to spark the Indian Rebellion of 1857, also known as the First War of Indian Independence, nominated for several big Bollywood movie awards for Best Actor, Amir Khan's aggressive and realistic performance made the movie even more watchable and gripping. Number 7. Ram Shankar, Tare Zameen Par. A teacher who understands and loves his student and also knows how to entertain them, Ram Shankar is the guy that stays in the mind of the audience since Tare Zameen Par was released.
एक लड़का था, मत पूछो किधर, वो पढ़ लिख नहीं पाता था। लाख कोशिशों बाद उसको रहता ना था याद कि YX के बाद आता था। अल्फाज उसके दुश्मन उसकी आंखों के सामने नाचते थे, डांस कर करके जी भर भर के बेचारे को सताते थे।
The movie is about a kid who has dyslexia sent into a boarding school by his father. The kid, being frustrated, met with Ram Shankar and slowly started connecting himself with the people by his help. As a responsible and serious teacher who wants nothing but good to his students, this character is perfectly played by Amir Khan and made him earn lots of love from the audience. Number 6. PK. Rajkumar Hirani's PK is the story of an unearthly being who came to the world but mistakenly lost his instrument that would help him to connect with his spaceship. Now, as a lost alien in a different planet, everything was usually new for PK.
जब लोगन की पॉकेटवा में से पैसा गिरता है तो सब झपट्टा मारता है, बोलता है हमरा है, लेकिन जब कंडमवा गिरता है तो सब भागने लगता है, बोलता है हमरा नहीं, ऐसा क्या है?
But the thing that was most interesting to him was the fact of religions. He always became confused thinking about how many gods people have in the world. A very unique character in Bollywood movies, PK is memorable and Amir Khan's effort to play this cute, innocent and lovable character is remarkable. Number 5. DJ Rang De Basanti.
मैं खड़ा तमाशा देख रहा हूँ। जैसो कि कोई औकात ही नहीं यार।
A casual college guy, then a rebellious angry man, DJ is the most heartthrob character of Amir Khan ever. When a British film student came to India to make a documentary on Indian freedom fighters, she met with DJ and his friends. Even though their immature mind always delayed the work of documentary, but with the works they passively became the character of the documentary. And the on-screen world and the off-screen world almost came together. The Critics' Choice Best Actor Filmfare Award was definitely well deserved for Amir Khan, either for shedding some tears and laughing all along, or the realistic reflection of one careless guy, Mr. Perfectionist, was totally perfect in this movie. Number 4. Raja Hindustani. Released in the year of 1996, the movie is about a cab driver who has fallen in love with a rich girl, inspired from the 1960 film Jab Jab Phool Khile. A very common Bollywood stereotype film, though still Raja Hindustani contains great performances from both Amir Khan and Karishma Kapoor.
आपकी जैसी मर्जी हो, आप वैसे ही कीजिए। और हम भी वही करेंगे जो हमें ठीक लगेगा।
Amir Khan won one Filmfare and one Screen Award for performing this character, and it was definitely well deserved. Number 3. Mahavir Singh, Dangal. Another biopic on our list. Dangal has a great performance from all the cast, and Amir Khan was really amazing in the movie.
मजाक लगा रखा है क्या? वो तन्ने पटक नहीं दे रहा है और तू खा रही है। रेल लेफ्ट साइड पे पटक रहा है तो लेफ्ट साइड पे जोर लगा के क्यों ना रोकती उसने? हैं?
Mahavir Singh Phogat, who wanted his 2 daughters to be boxing champion, ended up misjudged in society. He though kept on his dreams and led her daughters to win gold medals in the Commonwealth Games. A fat old man with a fatherly vibe, Amir Khan could successfully be Mahavir Singh for almost 150 minutes. Won the Filmfare Award for Best Actor and thoroughly praised internationally. Amir Khan's performance in Dangal is genuinely unforgettable. Number 2. Suraj Singh, Talash. A police officer whose life is kind of messed up trying to solve a mystery of a surprising accident. In the case, the audience comes to know about his background life and struggles. Amazingly portrayed a man covering his depression with anger, Amir Khan this time was genuinely professional.
मत कीजिए डरा। अगर मम्मा और आप खुश रहेंगे तो मैं भी खुश रहूंगा।
The character of this movie shows that he is loyal, honest and reasonable, but still he is not happy. He can show his love to his wife as well. A much more different film Amir Khan usually do, Talash is even more interesting for the performance of Mr. Khan.
सुनाई नहीं दिया? चल अंदर।
Number 1. Bhuvan, Lagan.
ये सिर्फ खेल नहीं है जो हम किसी के मौज मनोरंजन के लिए खेलते हैं। ये एक लड़ाई है जो हमका जीतनी है। हमारा मकसद सिर्फ एक है, लगान से मुक्ति, गांव की खुशहाली। और उनके वास्ते मैं मरते दम तक किसी के सामने नहीं झुकूंगा।
Bhuvan from Lagan is so far the best performance of Amir Khan because it was not just unforgettable but also remarkable. Almost every emotion was successfully reflected by Amir Khan in the movie. Released in the year of 2001, Lagan was very much internationally recognized. It is the story of people in a village who have agreed to play a cricket game with the ruthless British Emperor to cancel the tax for the next 3 years.
माफी चाहते हैं राजा जी, हम यहाँ से मिले के वास्ते आए थे। इनका ही टुकटुक वाला सड़ियल भद्दा सा खेल देखने नहीं। हमारा दर्द जाना तो दूर, वो गोरे ने बुरा पर हाथ छोड़ दिया।
Amir Khan as the captain of the team collected all the people together despite they were of different caste and creed, and he led them to a different life. So that's all in this video. Which performance of Amir Khan you loved most? Comment down below, and thanks for watching.